Hey guys, just a quick note on the whole Jester thing. I found another post that one of these guys on DMT Nexus posted, and here I'll just read it out for you. The stuff you see in Pareidolia definitely does exist, if not anywhere else, it exists in your brain/mind. Google has recently built a Pareidolia machine called DeepDream. Look at images processed by the system. Definitely make assumptions about uh, the images they use to teach the system. Its head seems to be full of dogs, reptiles, and birds. Without going to any reductionism, idealism debate, let's not, because those tend to get really nasty very quick. Inducing pareidolia can, without any stretch of reality, lead to some very real insights about ourselves, and a certain imagery is common to many of us. It's safe to assume that it's somehow important. The people who slam Jung as a pseudoscientist are just trolls, by the way. They can include the trademark idiots who tried to build a scientific psychology by asserting the mental phenomena, i.e. thoughts, emotions, and memories, simply do not exist because you can't see or measure them. Alright, so this is an example of the pareidolia in DeepDream. This is the DeepDream software, so they have reptiles, birds, dogs. So that's basically what they programmed into it. So that's what it's able to generate. So the idea was that psychedelic pareidolia, like LSD and psilocybin and DMT, produced clowns and jesters through the same sort of pathway. It's programmed into it for whatever reason that we still need to find out. And this is the official Wikipedia page. DeepDream is a computer vision program created by Google, which uses a convolutional neural network to find and enhance patterns in images via algorithmic pareidolia, thus creating a dreamlike hallucinogenic appearance in the deliberately overprocessed images. The software is designed to detect faces and other patterns in images with the aim of automatically classifying images. The software also attempts to ascertain what is happening in the picture and makes attempts to form sentences to describe it. When reiterations are run to tease out the found imagery even further, a form of pareidolia results by which psychedelic and surreal images are rendered algorithmically. The oft-cited resemblance of the imagery to LSD and psilocybin-induced hallucinations is suggestive of a functional resemblance between artificial neural networks and particular layers of the visual cortex, a matter which merits further study. And I also got another few people commenting about seeing jesters on the DMT Nexus forum. Another guy said, I haven't ingested much DMT, but fractal jester type characters have been in almost. Then another one said, oh heck yeah, everything he said above. The most vivid entity I ever saw was a multi-dimensional jester morphing out of my bed sheets. It was playing with me, toying with my soul. This was the worst trip of my life, but the jester was so amazing that I can only remember and focus on the positive side that I actually got to see such a being. Yeah, it's fascinating that so many people report jesters think jokers. It's a profound thing in my belief system. I believe that it was a sort of angel to me, or maybe a demon, but I believe that the power of evil is lower and subject to the powers of good, so I think it worked out for the good for me. Frightening, awe-inspiring, terrifying, bedazzling, incomprehensible, beautiful, chaotic, all of the above.